how to use two keyboards in Parsec. So we're just going to go ahead and explain how this works and what Parsec can actually do. Since you might be searching for something like this, and if you want a specific video on information, then this video will pop out, but it may just slightly be a bit off of what you want to hear. But still, Parsec over here just treats keyboards as the standard input devices. So by default, it combines all keyboards on one computer into a single input. So let's say you're using a laptop. So your laptop already has a keyboard. So with that in mind, if you plug in another keyboard, that's technically two keyboards in one, but it's still gonna act as the same keyboard. Now there's no specific setting over here you can go ahead and choose other than controllers, but for keyboards, it's a little bit different. You could have an alternative workaround like using a third-party app, which is much easier than Parsec over here. So we're just gonna give you an example so that there is something to this video. So you can go to your preferred browser and search for GitHub and then DJ Last Night keyboard splitter. So what you're gonna go to is here. Choose something like this, similar to this, very similar to this, or the exact GitHub link. So go to releases over here, and you can choose the latest one, but pretty much it depends on you. Go ahead to the assets and download this one. So the one at the very top. So you're gonna go ahead and choose that one, and if it's a zip file, which it usually is, you can go ahead and then extract it from the file. So it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna go ahead and install a few softwares as well. It's gonna ask you to install a few other things. Just go ahead and follow up with the prompts that it asks you. Do it all, and eventually the keyboard splitter itself will be able to open. So here it is. It's gonna look something like this. You can choose what kind of keyboard it is, and something weird is happening to my. Okay, let's just go back to a keyboard splitter. So here it is. You can choose how many keyboards you want. So let's say this is your first keyboard, and then the second keyboard over here. Just choose the setting. It's pretty much simple to use. Just go ahead and use start over here once you are done. You can choose a mouse as well, apparently. But that's pretty much how you could use two keyboards on the same device. Well, we were expecting Parsec, but that was just for information. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.